Hello and welcome back to the Shop channel, where we simplify Odoo for you. In today's video, we're diving into reservation methods in Odoo inventory, an important feature that controls when your products are reserved for delivery. We'll break down the three options: at confirmation, manually, and before delivery, so we can understand how each one works and choose the best method for your workflow. Let's jump in and see how it works in Odoo. In Odoo, when you create a delivery order, the system needs to know when it should reserve stock. That's where reservation methods come in. To find them, open the inventory app, go to Configuration, Operation Types, and then click on Delivery Orders. In the General tab, you'll see a field called Reservation Method. This is where you choose how stock is reserved for deliveries using this operation type. There are three options. First, add confirmation. This means stock is reserved as soon as the delivery order is created, usually right after confirming the sales order. It's great if you want to lock in inventory early, especially for popular or limited items. Let's see how it works. Head over to the sales app and create a new RFQ. Add a customer, then add a product. If the small graph icon on the product line is green, it means the product is in stock and ready to be reserved. Now let's confirm the RFQ. Once confirmed, Odoo reserves the stock instantly. You can check this by clicking the graph icon to view reserved quantities, or by opening the Delivery Smart button. There you'll see that the reserved quantity matches the demand. This method is perfect if you usually have enough stock and want the system to reserve it automatically when an order is confirmed. But keep in mind, by default, Odoo reserves stock for the first confirmed order, even if it's scheduled to ship much later. This can be a problem if a more urgent order comes in, because the stock might already be tied up, leaving that urgent order unfulfilled. So let's look at the other two methods. The second one is manual. It gives you full control. Odoo won't reserve anything on its own. You have to do it manually by checking availability. Let's test this one. Go back to the sales app and let's duplicate the previous order. After confirming it, notice that no stock is reserved automatically. The related delivery order will stay in waiting status. When we open it, you'll see that the product availability is yellow. That means stock is available, but it hasn't been reserved yet. The reserved quantity is still 0. To reserve the stock, just click Check Availability. If it's in stock, Odoo reserves it, and the status changes to Ready. This method is great when you want full control. Maybe you're managing urgent orders, VIP customers, or high-value stock, and want to decide manually who gets what. Finally, let's take a look at the before schedule date reservation method. With this option, Odoo waits until a specific number of days before the scheduled delivery date to automatically reserve products. Once you select it, two new fields appear: Reserve Before and Days Before When Start. The first says how many days before delivery Odoo should reserve stock. The second is for Start, or priority transfers. Let's set Reserve Before to 2 days. That means Odoo will only start reserving products 2 days before the scheduled delivery date. Keeping things flexible, while still making sure we are prepared just in time. Now for this to work properly, your product needs a customer lead time set. Go to the Products menu and open the item you want to configure. In the Inventory tab, under Logistics, you'll find the Customer Lead Time field. Let's set it to 2 days for this example, so it aligns with our reservation method. Now let's test it out. Head over to the Sales app and create a new request for quotation. Add the customer, then select the product we just configured, and click Confirm. If you hover over the product's availability tooltip, you will see that the product has already been reserved. You can also see the same info inside the Delivery tab. Now let's see what happens if we change the customer lead time on the product to 5 days. Let's create another sales order with this product. Add the customer, select the product again, and hit confirm. Now if we check the product's availability tooltip, we can see that no products have been reserved. The delivery order shows the same status. The product is available, but not yet reserved. This happens because the scheduled delivery date based on the lead time is set to 5 days from the order date. And since we've configured the reservation method to wait until 2 days before the scheduled date, Odoo won't reserve the product just yet. That said, you can always override this and reserve it manually by clicking Check Availability. This before scheduled date reservation method is perfect for fast-moving warehouses that want to avoid locking up inventory too early, while still staying ready for urgent or high-priority shipments. And that's it. Now you know all about the different reservation methods in Odoo inventory. Each method serves a unique purpose, depending on how your warehouse operates. So be sure to choose the one that best fits your workflow and delivery strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Odoo tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.